Good morning, buddy. Oh, good morning, buddy. You follow me downstairs. You follow me downstairs. Let me get the sleep out of your eye. What are you doing? What are you doing? The Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Okay, so had a little bit of a mishap with the new guy here. He literally tore everything up in the living room. He ripped open all this, ruined my daughter's new school shoes, ruined like ripped all kinds of stuff open. Tore this up, ripped the zipper and stuff. Alma just got that. You see the box and stuff that he tore up here. Shreds and shreds and shreds of pieces. This is all from him. He ruined like probably $300 worth of stuff the last couple of days, so he's gonna have to start getting crate trained when we're not here. If you guys don't know, he's a rescue. He was on the road and some other lady picked him up. She already had 5 rescues, and then grandma seen him on Facebook and said, oh, well, we'll help you. And now we've had him for days now, and we're gonna keep him until the owner comes forward. But after so long, we may as well just keep him, even if the owner does come forward, because he's not even gonna know the owner anymore. But anyhow, he's an awesome dog. He's just very healthy, very well-mannered and stuff, but when you're not home, he's a puppy, so he just tears stuff up. Unfortunately, I wish I could display these in much better condition than this, but this is what he did. So I have a 2006 Lincoln Town Car, and I ordered these. It was a subscriber recommendation, the Silicone Advantage wiper blades from PIAA, 2 times longer lasting. And I said, you know what, let's get it. So I already used one soapy rag to clean the windshield. I used another wet one to wash it off, and then another wet one again. And now it says wipe down with the towelettes before you put the wiper blades on. So let's go out there, and it's warm soapy water wash. Then rinse it off, and then open the packs that come inside the pouches with the silicone wiper blades. And then wait 10 minutes and install your wiper blades, it says. So I'm going to wipe the window down now. It smells like rubbing alcohol is what it smells like. I'm going to do the whole window in this. It's I've had K&N wiper blades on there, and they're starting to get soft since last year. They're starting to streak a little bit, so they haven't quite lasted 1 year yet. It smells like a little bit of ammonia or something in these wipes. Flip it over to the other side. Do it. And I'll go over and grab the other pack and do the other side. Really, what I would like to do, honestly, this is just cleaning it. What would make these wipers last even longer is if I took some glass polish and actually polished the windshield. I wonder if I should do that real quick. Just go ahead and polish the windshield real quick. It will make it last a lot longer than just wipes. Maybe we do a comparison. We do with and then we do without. It's been about 10 minutes. And let's put the wipers on. I noticed when the wipers start to rip this easy, they're no good anymore. These were the older K&N ones that were on there. They lasted one winter into almost the end of the summer. These have a jaw right here that snaps in. They come in the pack already set up for the U-hooks, but they have like a plethora of different attachments that go on this that fit different versions. So do your homework. I'll show you the attachments once we get inside. These K&Ns, they have a tab that you push down inside. They don't go up. They push down and then you pull forward like so. And I just kind of let, while I switch hands, especially when I'm one-handed, I find tricks to do this. So I'll use that wiper blade to hold it up so it's not sitting on the glass. And if you set it on the glass carefully, you're fine. A lot of people freak out and they're like, oh my God, you're supposed to put a sponge or something. Whatever. There it is. It's snapped in. It's secure. Let's try it out. The different clips. They come in the box. And the centers on snap on the wiper blades, so you can snap the different styles in. You'll just have to play around with it and figure it out. Okay. Inside inside window's a little dirty, but the outside's not. So let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, that's right. I forgot this nozzle over here was plugged up. Look at that. Perfect swipe. Oh yeah. Those are good wipers. They don't leave nothing behind. Yep, perfect swipe, no streaks, no nothing left behind. I gotta get a new nozzle for this side, or there's a piece of debris in it. I forgot about it. That's a good wiper. No noise, no nothing. That's a good wiper. Well, I love them already. So let's see how long. They're probably the quietest wipers I've put on the window so far. So, and the cleanest so far. So we'll see how it goes. Let's maybe do like a 3-month review or something. Come back later. Well, that's the PIAA silicone wiper blades. Quiet, perfect adaptation to the or form to the window. No streaks, no nothing like that. Those are nice. Follow the instructions on the pack, clean the window, and when I was done, there was a little bit of residue in some spots that wouldn't dry up. I took a dry rag and I just a regular dry microfiber and ran over the window real quick and got the residue spots that I seen, the smudges, and that's how they're perfect. Nice install, easy install. What can I say more? Thanks for the recommendation to the subscriber here on the channel that recommended it. Appreciate you. Be blessed.